Hi, Charlie Walsh, CEO of Stephenson Equipment, joined here today by my colleague Luke Yunk, our JCB product manager, and we're here to talk about a very cool machine for a very cool cause, the JCB VetsAid Teleskid. Luke's going to do a little bit of a walk around and talk about this limited edition unit with you. Before we do, I just wanted to talk about some context of JCB's relationship to the U.S. military and that really core foundational role that the military plays in JCB here in the U.S. So any of you that are fans of JCB know that JCB has been building a industry-exclusive backhoe for the U.S. Army. 60-mile-an-hour backhoe came to life in 2004, built in Savannah, Georgia, supplied to U.S. Armed Forces throughout the world. They built over 1,000 of those. A number of units have hit roadside bombs in combat zones and saved the lives of U.S. troops. So JCB wanted to do something, donate money to veteran causes. They have committed over $1 million of total donations to veteran services. So I'm going to kick it to Luke Yunk, who I mentioned earlier, our JCB product manager. Luke's going to tell you more about the Teleskid and then also this unit specifically.
All right, thank you, Charlie. All right, so the VetsAid Edition Teleskid is based on the 3TS-8T platform, which JCB introduced back in 2017. It has been their flagship skid loader since then. The base machine is a 74-horse, 12,600-pound skid loader with a telescoping boom. Telescoping boom gives us 13 foot 3 inches of lift height, 8 foot forward reach, and up to 3 feet below grade dig depth on it. And it has a rated operating capacity of 3,695 pounds, fully retracted. So I'm going to go ahead and walk around the machine, point out a few of the features. These are all standard features on this machine. Starting with the enclosed quick hitch here. JCB's done it with a full enclosure to help keep debris and stuff out from causing damage. There's an electronic controlled quick hitch that you can hook and unhook attachments from the cab. As you come up the boom, you'll see you got 2 hydraulic fitting setups. So the high flow couplers are here with a 14-pin connector. We got 33 gallons a minute out of this, so we can run just about any skid loader attachment in the market with it. Then on the extending portion of the boom, we have a standard flow coupler set here, where you can run grapples and any low flow attachments. Some of the applications you'll see these get used for, especially on the telescoping portion. You see a lot of guys run grapple setups where they can reach over retaining walls and set logs or rocks. They can reach over sidewalks and set pallets of sod or pavers. And then, of course, a lot of our customers on the job site like to have one machine and not two, so they'll bring this out and use it to be able to load their trucks. Pretty much one of the only skid loaders on the market that can load into any truck. The biggest benefit a lot of guys realize once they get the machine is that they can reach across the trailer. You don't have to drive around to unload the trailer. You can reach across, grab a pallet, or pickup trucks, you put 2 pallets deep, you can get that second pallet in without having to hook a chain and drag it. So it's just one of those applications a lot of guys find more and more uses for. As you come down the right side, obviously what stood out is that it's a single boom machine. They bring in their telehandler design capabilities of a single arm setup and brought it on the skid loader. With that, they did tubing on the top for their high flow, and the rest of the tubing and electronics are concealed inside this cover to help keep them from getting damaged when you're out working on a job site. As we come around the back, talk a little bit about JCB's serviceability. So they got a single piece door design, opens up, and you can see all your service components right here. So JCB takes great pride in all their products, everything from the mini excavators all the way up to their wheel loaders, as far as serviceability and being able to do it from ground level. On the Teleskid, what that means is all our filters and access points and fluid checks are right here as we open up the door. So you can see we got our fuel filter, oil filter, dipstick, we got a hydraulic oil sight glass here, and coolant bottle on the door. All again easily accessible as soon as you open it. In addition, you do come with a battery remote jump start and a battery cutoff switch. Just some standard features on it to help you out in those inclement scenarios. So this is their 4.4 liter diesel max engine. JCB brought this to market. It's designed and developed by them. This one is tuned to 74 horsepower. There's no diesel exhaust fluid or particulate filter, so no regen on it. Even though it is 74 horse, it does have 295 foot-pounds of torque, which is fairly leading in the industry. And my favorite part is they set the diesel speed record based off that engine. As you come around this way, a couple of things you point out. When you go with the VetsAid Edition machine, you are getting the custom green paint on it. You're getting some custom logos, an American flag, right on the door with the VetsAid logo on it. And my favorite part is when you open up the cab, you get a custom embroidered leather seat. The seat is both heated and air ride. And while we're talking about the interior of this machine, comes standard with a 7-inch color touchscreen display, a Bluetooth radio, heat and air conditioning. And then, of course, the machine also comes standard with the 7-way high-flow controls, 2-speed travel, smooth ride, and the electronic quick hitch I mentioned before.
Tinted windows, Luke, something we did.
Tinted windows was our own addition to it. Had to put our own little touch on it.
Nice.
Definitely is going to help on the hot summer days, keep it cool, and just kind of makes it look cool.
Yeah. So that's a lot of great stuff about this machine. I think that operator's compartment is unlike anything else that's out on the market. JCB's Teleskid cab and their skid steer cab is already 33% bigger than everybody else's skid steer. Then we've got this limited edition VetsAid. Luke did a great job of talking about what comes with the package. $1,000 goes to VetsAid organization, which will pass that along to veteran support causes. The paint scheme is a great way of showing support. If you're a vet, or your employees are vets, or you're a relative of vet, or you're just a passionate patriot, see them at our various branches. Luke, help me out with our branches.
Yeah, so
where
we
we
got
got them?
at Butler, Wilkes-Barre, here in Harrisburg, where we're at today, Baltimore, and Manassas currently.
Yeah, so really spread across our footprint, all the way from Northern Virginia and DC, up throughout our Pennsylvania branches. Love to demo one for you, and qualifies for 0% interest for 60 months. So if you buy a Teleskid or the VetsAid package, you can get 0% for 5 years. Comes standard with a 2-year warranty, and they're in stock now. So give us a call, reach out to us. We would love to show you one of these machines and find a piece of JCB equipment from Stephenson Equipment that's right for you. So thanks for the time.